In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a vendor in accounting. Adding vendors correctly keeps your purchasing, bills, and payments organized, and it ensures reports and taxes line up with real-world records. Once you're on the Akaunting dashboard, we'll move through a simple flow and I'll point out what each section means so you know exactly what to enter. Start by going to the left navigation menu and clicking Purchases. If your menu is collapsed, hover to expand it and look for the Purchases label. This area groups everything related to buying, including bills and vendors, so it's the natural starting point. From there, choose Vendors from the drop-down. That opens the vendor list page where you'll see any vendors you've already added, along with search and filters to help you find them later. This page is your control center for vendor records. Next, click the New Vendor button. This opens a clean form where you'll add the vendor's information. The form is divided into sections to keep things tidy and consistent. In the General section, enter the vendor's name, email, phone, website, and other basics. Use the official name that appears on invoices to avoid mismatches in your records. For email, a general accounts or billing address is ideal, since that's where your bills and communication will go. Double-check the phone number format and include the website if you have it. It makes quick lookups easier later. In the billing section, add the tax number, the payment currency, and any other relevant billing details. The tax number should match the vendor's official documents. Getting this right helps with compliance and ensures your tax reports reconcile properly. Choose the currency you'll use for most purchases with this vendor, so bills default to the correct currency and you avoid conversion surprises. If you see options for notes or billing references, use them to capture internal details your team needs to remember. In the address section, fill in the street, city, and country, along with state or region and postal code if applicable. Make sure this matches the vendor's invoice address, since some jurisdictions use addresses to determine tax calculation rules. When everything looks accurate, click Save. Akaunting adds the vendor to your list immediately, and you'll return to the vendor page where you can confirm it's there. If you notice anything off, you can edit the vendor later without affecting existing bills. That's it. You've added a vendor in accounting, setting yourself up for cleaner purchasing and smoother bookkeeping. Thanks for watching, and keep building a reliable vendor list so every bill is just a few clicks away.